Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy A26 if you've forgotten your account password. If you don't remember your Samsung password, don't know which one was it, can unlock it, then you may need to factory reset it, and that's what I'm gonna show you. But there are two warnings from me. The first one is that it'll erase all your data on your phone besides the things that have been backed up to your accounts. But if something wasn't backed up, then it'll be deleted permanently. And also you will most probably be prompted to enter your Google account password or the Samsung account password, either of those, in order to confirm that you haven't stolen this phone. But at least these passwords to the Samsung or Google account are recoverable, and you can just, if you don't remember them, you can recover them with your phone number or your email account, whatever. And the screen lock is only recoverable if you erase your data, so that's what we're gonna do now. Let's first plug it into a computer. This is really important. It has to be plugged into a computer. I'm using a Mac, so it can be a Mac, it can be a Windows PC, whatever you have. It just has to be a computer. And now turn the screen on first, then press and hold on power and volume down. And as soon as the screen turns off, okay, I think I wasn't pressing hard enough. As soon as the screen turns off, we should move the finger from the power volume down to volume up, and keep pressing and holding on both power and volume up. And if we are here, then everything is done correctly. If we're not, try doing that again. And we should go to Wipe Data Factory Reset. Click on power button, because we're moving with the volume buttons, and confirming with power button. Move down, power button. Now go to reboot system now. And it'll reboot into the reset system, so it may take a moment longer than usual restart. And after that, we should be able to set up our phone, and we most probably will be prompted about entering our Google account. So let's wait for that. And now we need to set up the phone. So I'm gonna click on start, then select the language, click on next. Next. Now I'm gonna agree to all, but you can also unselect the diagnostic data stuff. Now I'm gonna click on next. And I'm gonna set it up manually. And this is the notification that shows after resetting with this method that I've shown. So we need to connect to the Wi-Fi first, and this is mandatory in order to be able to use the phone later, because we will need to log in with the Google account in a moment. Now I'll go to the next step. And here it asks you to enter your previous screen lock, but if you don't remember it, you can click on use my Google account instead. And now enter your email that has been logged in on this phone. If you've forgotten it, you can click here, but I don't really know. Okay, you can enter your phone number or recovery. I know it, so I'm just gonna enter it. Then click on go. And if you don't remember your password to the Google account, click here. But I remember it, so I'm gonna enter it off camera. And click on next. And now you can select whether you want to use a new account, a new Google account different than the previous one, or use the previous account. I'm gonna use the previous one. And now you can just continue with the setup. So I'm just gonna click on done copy, next. I'm gonna skip everything. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.